Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some styles with this little mini braided bob that I did. In the back is my natural hair, but the front of my hair is pretty thin, so I did want to add some hair. I ended up using the Freetress Pre-Fluffed in the color T530. If my hair was this length, this is pretty much what it would look like. I did my edges and everything so that I can just go ahead and get into the styles. For the rest of the video, I'll just be adding some music to fill in the blanks because I'm not big on talking. At the end though, I will give information on the hair that I used. And I laugh because I really don't know how to add sound on here without it chopping it up and doing what it wants to do when I add it. So I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out though. Alright, so to achieve this style, I used the Freetress Pre-Fluffed, the spring twist hair. This is really long. I just cut it into the size pieces that I wanted, and this is about the size piece that I used for each twist because my hair is really short. As you can see, my hair stops about right there. So that's why I use these tiny pieces so that when it springs up, it'll just be like the length of my hair. I really just added them in the front, like the half in the front, and then the back is just my braids because I had just started braiding my hair and I'm like, I don't want my whole head to be this short, so I start adding hair. And this is what I came up with. I feel like it really looks like my hair. The texture of the pre-fluffed is definitely kinky and curly like my hair. This is the length that it came out to be. I like my hair to be at least the length that it is, that is growing out of my scalp, you know? So this is how it came out. If I wear it down, I'm pretty much gonna wear it mostly like this if I wear it down, or I'm gonna take it this way and kind of do it like this, and sometimes, you know, behind the ear. And I love it, it's so cute. Fall is coming, so I'm kind of getting into my colors. I like the burgundy red, and then I also like color 27, color 30. Those are my fall colors that I'm gonna be doing to my hair. Yeah, be on the lookout for more little styles like this, maybe different colors or different lengths or whatnot, because why not? It's really cute. You should try it. And it's really easy.